Hello, hello, my wonderful family. All right, so today our cool fun tips is we're gonna refill a sprayer and refill a soap dispenser. All right, so this sprayer that I need to refill is the one that I use to wipe down my counters, to clean my cutting boards, to make sure everything is super disinfected in my kitchen. And it's also quite multi-purpose. I can even spray down my fruits and vegetables with it if I want to, because I'm not worried. Put on my vegetables just because of the oils I use with it. But you can totally, again, it's super awesome. I wipe down my kitchen. I wipe down everything pretty much, not just my kitchen, but my bathroom with this. It's just multi-purpose. All right, so what I do is I'm gonna start with On Guard. So I use, in this bottle, this is, I wanna say, what would it be? Not quite 2 cups. So yeah, I guess it is about 2 cups. So 16 ounces. All right, 16 ounce bottle. So I'm going to use about 10 drops of On Guard. The reason why is because 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We know that On Guard is our protective blend, right? It is antibacterial, antifungal, all sorts of things. It super helps and supports us, right? Oregano, I'm going to put about 3 drops of oregano. Let's see if I can get it to come out. 1, 2, 3. The reason why I add oregano is because we know that nothing can live with oregano. It kills all yucky bacteria. So it doesn't matter if, say, something's been sitting in my sink, I can definitely spray it down, and I have, rest assured, even if something to get super soapy, my husband's all about, bubbles, things scrubbing and all that stuff, that I pretty much can spray something down with my sprayer, and I am not going to worry about any germs, anything living on that surface or in that space. I like to add lemongrass, because again, it's super cleansing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I do 10 of lemongrass, the same as On Guard. The reason why so little of oregano, because oregano is super powerful. It's a hot oil, and you really don't need that much. Lemongrass is super cleansing, very similar to lemon, so therefore it helps cut grease and things like that, and it just helps with also boosting, your own, immune system around it and all that stuff. So super benefit. Then wild orange. I usually, I know On Guard has wild orange in it, and I'll add about 5 more of wild orange, just because again, it's cleansing, helps cut grease, things like that. So now I'm going to add water. See if I can do this without spilling. Oh no, I'm spilling. My floor is going to get super wet here because I'm not doing this over the sink. It's all good, right? All right, I'm going to do this. What I love about this also is it's super refreshing smelling. So you can use it to spray your trash can. If your trash can gets kind of stinky, right? All right, so I have it all filled up. Spray it, and then this is what's super cool. Can you do this with other cleaners? Spray your hand and not feel afraid that it's going to burn you, feel icky. And that's kind of my test, honestly, is does it smell strong enough for me? Do I feel like it's going to do the job that I want it to do? So I am super satisfied with my sprayer. So my sprayer is done. So it's going to go back on my windowsill. I popped in, popped out. And so now I need to get some more water so that we can do the soap dispenser. And I pretty much use the same oils, but the soap dispenser is smaller, so I use only only 2 drops of oregano, because again, this is gonna be what's used for cleaning. So this, ironically, I use whether it is cleaning dishes or hands. The added thing is I add lavender so that it's soothing on the hands and not harsh on the hands. So here I grab the On Guard concentrate and I put it to the line. You can also do on this foaming one, which is throughout the rest of my house, is a little bit smaller than this one, you can see. So I put the On Guard foaming, or the cleaning concentrate, all right, up to the words On Guard, and then I start putting drops. So I'm going to put 2 drops of oregano, because again, anything I'm cleaning, I want to make sure that no bacteria can live. I'm going to go ahead and use my lavender. I want to use 10 drops of lavender so that, again, since this is going to be used on my hands as well as the dishes, my hands stay nice and nourished and don't get dried out. Then wild orange, 10 drops of wild orange, so that it helps cut any grease. I do keep an extra bottle of lemon On Guard, lemongrass, and wild orange by my sink, just in case, you know, my dishes are kind of extra greasy and it doesn't seem like the soap is quite getting it, so that I can just straight add to my rag. These are the microfiber rags. I can add a drop right away with the soap, and it just totally cuts the grease. All right, so we were at lemongrass, right? So 10 drops of lemongrass. Let's make sure. Yeah, I didn't put lemongrass in yet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. So, and again, you can do about 7 to 10 drops of lemongrass, and then On Guard. Yes, we've used the On Guard concentrate, but I like to add a little bit of extra boost. And again, 7 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, and the reason why this is going to be, because again, we're using this to clean dishes, right? And so we want to make sure that it's killing any bacteria, any junk, but also not being hard on our hands. So the lavender really is helpful and soothing on that. Then we're going to add water. Okay. Yay. Let's make sure I don't get it to, I'm able to do it just right. Okay. And then I've got my foaming pump. And you can see it's super, super soapy, super bubbly. Definitely will cut grease. All right. And you know it's super safe, right? So that is me filling up my soap dispenser and my cleaning spray. Hope that was helpful. One other last tip for the kitchen is the dishwasher. Again, you don't have to make it super complicated. A tablespoon of, so like here's my dishwasher, if you can see it back here, is I put a tablespoon of the On Guard cleaning concentrate. I put about a cup of white vinegar in the bottom of it, and then with the concentrate I usually add about 5 drops of either lemongrass or lemon to be able to make sure and get that extra shine and sparkle. And I'll tell you what, my dishes have no spots ever on them because of that. And talk about super cheap, talk about super savings, and totally lowering our toxin load, right? With these 3 super simple hacks of our cleaning supplies. All right, you guys have a beautiful and blessed day, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care and God bless.